everyone, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an Ellie Activewear unboxing for you guys for the month of March. But not only that, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys my 1-year anniversary review of Ellie Activewear. And I am so pumped to share with you guys my review, which probably gives away a little bit of what I'm going to say, but it's okay. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of a background of Ellie in case you guys are just stumbling upon this video and haven't seen any of my previous videos, which I will link down below. So if you guys want to see what kind of items you get with Ellie, then click that description box. So Ellie is an activewear subscription service, monthly subscription service that you guys can get, and now they actually offer 2 different boxes for you to pick from. So one box you can either get just 3 items, which is just the outfit, which includes a sports bra, a top, a legging, or capri. Or if you want to get a little bit fancier and get the 5 box item, you get that full outfit plus 2 accessories, whether that be like a type of tool or an equipment, depending on that month's theme. Now, with that said, I don't know if Ellie is going to be doing this every single month for the next months coming up, but they have done this for the February and for this month of March, where they actually release 3 different looks for you to pick from now. So 3 different outfits, and kind of like backing up for that, I'm like too excited, I'm like forgetting what to say. Ellie actually gives you the option of previewing the month's box before you actually get to order it. So if you're feeling it, you can totally get it. If you're not feeling it, you can just go ahead and pass, and it's totally fine. So now that you can get to actually pick like from the actual outfits, like the 3 different ones they have, I think that's amazing, because then you can pick one that's more of your style, you know, more of your color palette, whatever you floats your boat, you can do that now, which I think is awesome. And I was so happy that they did that for the month of March, and I'm hoping they are going to be doing that for the months to come. So with that all said, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing portion of this video. So the collection that I got was the In the Zone, and then the other ones are called Set the Pace and then All Star. So those are the collections that you guys can pick from for this month's box, and I'm pretty sure I mentioned it, but just in case I didn't, you can definitely go to their website to see that, or their Instagram. So the first item is the sports bra, which is a beautiful navy color. I love the back detailing. It has that really pretty lace-up detailing, eraser back, and it has removable cup pads, which I love. And then the tank top is this really pretty white tank top, and y'all know I love my white, so this is perfect. And it's also mesh in the back, which means your sports bra can pop out of there really nicely, which I'm gonna do really quickly right now and show y'all. And this is how it would look like. I mean, how cute. I love when anything peeks out and you can see that really cute sports bra. So in love. And I forgot to mention, but the sports bra is by Marika and the tank top is by Untitled Collection. And then the leggings, or actually the capris, are these really pretty blue and white leggings, and I love, because y'all know that that white legging trend is going around, and I love how they're incorporating that with not only that with the bottom here, but also with this really fun geometric print. And yeah, so totally feeling this outfit, and totally me, because white is my favorite color. So this is the In the Zone collection, which is totally on my alley because I love white, and definitely perfect for any like bride to be out there, because white, again, I don't know about you guys, but I'm all about that white for like rocking the bride look. So just a little tip out there if there are any brides to be out there. So let's get into my 1-year review of Ellie Activewear subscription box. So before we get started, I do want to say that Ellie does send me these boxes every single month for free, but this isn't associated with that at all. I don't even think they know that I'm doing this 1-year review. I am stating all of my opinions 100% true to my own opinions, so I just want to throw that out there for you guys before we get started. So with that said, let's get into it. Now, surprise, surprise, you probably guys know what I'm gonna say. I am in love with Ellie Activewear subscription box because this is what I've always stated in all my unboxing videos. It's because this is the only subscription service that I know. I don't know if now people are changing because of Ellie, but I love that they give their users a chance to actually view the box for that month before they actually send it to them, because you know, sometimes people aren't always gonna love each month's box, or they're trying to save money and they don't really want to get that month's box. So I think that's awesome. You guys can preview the box on their website or their Instagram and see what you guys want. If you want it, good. If you don't, then it's fine. You can totally skip it. And with the new, I don't know, like I said, if it's going to be every month, but now you can have 3 different choices to pick from for the looks. So I think that's awesome, and I think that is just like great, and the price point is just amazing. You can either get the 3-box set for $39.95 or the 5-box set for $49.95. And then you have a complete cute workout outfit with accessories if you like for that month to twin with your friend or just the Ellie squad on Instagram. Like seriously, it's amazing. Now let's talk about the quality of the items in the box. Let's start off with clothing. I love that Ellie has introduced me to my new favorite workout brand, Marika, because their items are just so great. I have bought Marika items like outside of Ellie because I'm like that obsessed with it. I especially love the leggings that Ellie sends us every single month. Like I said before, I'm such a neutral girl, so I love getting, you know, just black leggings and maybe a little bit of detailing, and we've gotten those before where it's just like a black and then maybe like a crochet detailing or like lace up with like a white paneling, and that's great. But I love, like absolutely love when they send me like fun different prints of leggings, because I normally wouldn't do that. And they also, I love how like they're trendy too, like they know what's trending in the fashion world, and as a fashionista I love that, because like I can, you know, I'm not only fashionable in like hopefully in my regular clothes but also in my workout clothes, because I know like the trends are like matching up for both my everyday wear and my workout wear. I also love their sports bra. The sports bras, like I said, it's kind of with the leggings. It's different. They send you ones that are trendy, ones that are really good support, and you know, they ask you for your size. So if you feel like you need a bigger size for like a certain, you know, type of the month or something, you can definitely change that. The tops that you get are also great. Like, you know, they give you your basic workout tops that you want, your tank tops and your like t-shirts, but also like I think it was in the October and then it was the November box. Oh my gosh, you guys, we got a jacket with thumb holes, and I literally wear that jacket all the freaking time when I go to the gym, when I go outside, and it's just so comfortable, and it's just so good quality. It's Marika, surprise surprise, and it's so comparable to my Nike one that I have that looks exactly the same, but the Nike one doesn't have thumb holes, my Marika one does, so I'm obsessed with that one a little bit more, but it's just amazing. And then in the November one we got this wrap. Oh my god, it's so cozy. You can wear it so many different ways. Like, you guys, literally they just think of everything, and I'm obsessed. And now let's move on to the accessories. I go to the gym but not like too much, so I actually prefer to work out at home. So I love getting the tools because, you know, I don't have those tools at home. I'm not a gym. So it's just fun to get it. I know we got in a jump rope, which I was obsessed with because it took me back to my childhood days, and it was like mint green. It was awesome. I love that. We got in water bottles. I'm such like a water bottle like fiend that I was just like, oh yes. And then like I love to switch it up. And then what else have we gotten? We got in like the ab roller, which, you guys, I'm having a wedding soon, so I'm so thankful for that. And it's just, you know, nice that they switch it up all the time. Now, with that said, with my whole year experience with them, I do want to throw out there that they did repeat accessories in 2 boxes. So I think they repeated the yoga mat towel and then a hat with a chilling towel, which was in 1 box. So 2 boxes I got, you know, those accessories. But with that said, you guys, I personally didn't mind because I'm a total hat girl, so I love my baseball hats. I wear them to work out, and the one that they actually sent me first was getting a little bit dirty because I wore a little bit too much. I'm a very sweaty person when I work out, so I was happy that I got a new one. The chilling towel is gonna get hot, and I use that when I go to yoga, when I go on a run. Like I said, I sweat a lot, so I get really hot. That is just so useful for me. And then the yoga mat towel, I don't know why it was always so hard for me to say that, is great to have because now I can alternate my yoga towels with my mat, which is awesome. But also, with that said, if you guys aren't feeling like getting a repeat of a tool, then now you can, like how they have that option of opting out of the 5-box item just to the 3-box item. So everybody wins win, and I was so happy about those repeat because those were awesome. Another reason why I love the Ellie box is just because it motivates me. I am not one of those people who love working out, and if you guys are, like, oh my gosh, you're awesome, I don't know how you do it, but I just don't get so like pumped up to work out. I work out because I have to, because I want to be healthy, because I also want to look good for my wedding, and Ellie just pumps me up even more because now I have this really cute outfit to go work out in, and I know I'm gonna feel amazing in it. And with that, I love posting it on Instagram because the Ellie community is just so amazing. I have made so many friends via Instagram with like working with Ellie because I like stalk the hashtag love Ellie all the time, and we just comment back on each other's pictures and like Instagram stories, and it's just awesome. And it's just really great to have like that twinning moment with somebody else. It's like, hey, you know, what outfit did you get this month, especially with the new collections I have, like the 3 different collections that you can pick from. It's just awesome. I love like community. That's why I love making videos and blogging, because I love connecting with people that love the same things that I do. So that is everything that I have to say for my 1-year review about Ellie. I think it's amazing. I have turned on so many of my friends to Ellie. They love it, and if you guys want to try Ellie too, and you guys want to get a little bit of a discount, even though it's such a great price already, you guys can get your first box 15% off by using the hashtag, oh my gosh, I'm thinking about Instagram, using the code Anna15, and you guys will be part of the Ellie team, and trust me, you guys will love them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well as the outfit that I shared with you guys. Let me know if you guys are an Ellie girl, which collection you went for, because I'm kind of obsessed with this because, like I said, I love white, and I was so glad that I got that collection. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. And I think that's it, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.